Hi everybody, welcome to another gripping episode of Sharpey's Workshop. Today I want to do a tips and tricks and hacks or bodges video. Little techniques that I picked up over the years. Most of you probably know anyway, but you never know, there might be something in there that you don't know. So let's crack on. So the Velcro's gone on the sanding backing pad. So what you're going to do, you're going to need to finish a job. How are you going to get around this one? As you can see, I've done this a few times before. Just get a bit of hot glue and just put a couple of dabs on and it'll hold the disc until you get a chance to buy a new backing disc. You can buy a proper file cleaning tool, but I don't like spending money, as you know. A piece of copper pipe does exactly the same job. It's soft enough not to damage the file, but strong enough to clean it out. And while we're keeping things sharp, to keep your scissors all nice and sharp, just cut through some sandpaper. To check your squares, mark it on one edge, then flip it over, mark it on the other, and as long as you've got two parallel lines, it's a good square. This is an old square that's been left outside. If it was a bit longer, you'd see the lines join at the top. To make a quick, cheap and dirty spindle sander, get a bolt, chop the head off, put a groove in it. Slot some sandpaper in the groove and wrap the sandpaper around and stick it in your drill. Both of these discs are marketed as cutting discs. That one's over 2mm thick and that one's under 1mm. Always look for the thinnest disc you can find for cutting steel. If you check in the tool catalogues or on the internet, it gives you the thickness of the disc next to the price. So you're cutting some threaded bar down or a bolt, so you put the nut on first so it's easy to recut the threads. It doesn't always work. As you can see, it leaves a burr on the top, so I find either use a belt sander or a file and just put a small bevel around the top thread. While we're on the subject of belt sanders, they make the best pencil sharpeners. Don't throw your old drill indexes away. If you've got a drill that you can't read the markings on it anymore, so you don't know what size it is, use the old drill index. And when drilling wood, you want high speed and less pressure, but when drilling steel, you want a low speed and high pressure. Now for checking the internal squareness of a box or a frame, you want a length of scrap wood and stick a screw in the end. Then you can slip the screw into one corner of the box and mark up the other side with a pencil. And then you put the screw into the other side of the box and see if your pencil mark lines up. Easy peasy. I've got to give credit to my youngest lad for this one. He showed me this trick. Well, we've picked up one or two tricks. These are all sort of bodges that I've picked up over the years. If you've got any ideas, stick them in the comments. You know, if people want, I'll make another video later on and we can keep sharing them. Try and build the love a bit and share some ideas. So that's it for me for this one. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.